I've worked with several of the project managers, and I really enjoy the one-on-one experiences that I get to have with the solution engineers or the coders. I have found that to be a very valuable path for engagement, especially if you're a hands-on founder who has a technology background. Hey guys, Spencer Lucier here. I'm the co-founder and CEO of game change agency GCA, now Networked. To tell you a little bit about what we're up to, well, we are a true internet startup. We went live in 2016, so we're about 3 years old. And in that short window of time, we've evolved a lot. We started out and still are a curated network for senior leaders, senior most level executives. And we have an invitation-based policy where current members invite new members. And the reason we are an internet company, well, that's because of our software platform. And the platform really enables the network or the members to create relationships that are relevant to them. And it's along the lines of career advancement, investment opportunities, recruiting, or talent acquisition. It also enables knowledge exchange, right? So there's a lot of things that the network can take advantage of. And originally, when we first went live, that first platform was built with a firm, and that was a good experience, but we decided to part ways, and as we were getting feedback from the marketplace, we were in need for a new firm, and that was when I met Michael, or BuddyBoss, and we had an original kickoff, or I should say an exploratory conversation, and we became quick friends. And we began development, and we've been using them for about 1.5 years now. Very positive experience. I'm a very involved founder, so I work heavily and influence heavily the software, write all the logic, the architecture, and I've worked with several of the project managers, and I really enjoy the one-on-one experiences that I get to have with the solution engineers or the coders. I have found that to be a very valuable path for engagement, to have a PM as well as this head solution engineer engaging, especially if you're a hands-on founder who has a technology background. Flash forward, we're now doing more updates to the current platform, and those updates are going live in about 30 days. It's a lot of hype, a lot of anticipation for these updates, so we're really excited about that. We have weekly check-in points, and that's very helpful. It's been a very, very fluid experience. We review what was done, we review what's next, and we talk about Q&A for the work that was done. And really, I have nothing but positive things to say about the firm and about my experiences with them. And probably in about 3 months, maybe even a little bit less, we will begin the development of the mobile app. So we started off on the web, so as a true software platform, and that will be a real mirror. And the typical people that like to use the network are not just senior leaders now, but in the new updates, it'll be segmented. There'll be multiple networks in the platform. You can think of universities, you can think companies or networking groups, membership organizations. So we have received positive feedback. We continue to receive positive feedback, and like I said, there's a lot of anticipation for the new updates that are going live in about a 30-day window, and everyone's very excited for the mobile app. I know that I am. If you're considering certain firms, I have always had a very positive experience with this firm. I would certainly recommend them, absolutely.